What up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. This is Don5280. So for this video right now, I'm going to be installing this. It's the new Android head unit by idoing, and I'll be installing it into my Impreza because I'm sick of this little dud ass head unit. It's just fucking whack. I can't even hook up my music to it. There's no auxiliary port, there's nothing. So let's get to it. So let's open up the package. Let's see what we got. Oh yeah, very nice packaging, well protected. I like that. It's like bags full. Alright, looks like there's nothing else. Let's put that down. So, see what I got. Alright, I'll show you guys how I'm going to be installing this, just in case you bought this head unit and you're a little confused about installing it. But it's fairly well pretty simple. It's plug and play. So this is the Wi-Fi antenna. The GPS, radio connection, GPS, and this is for auxiliary. And looks like these are for like backup camera, or if you want to watch videos in your car and things like that. But this head unit don't come with like a CD player or anything like that. Don't need it for that. Just need my music connection. Let's see what it looks like. Oh hell yeah, that's clean. That's hella clean. It takes up the whole corners and everything. It's fucking beautiful. So now let's grab this pine tool real quick. Let's figure out how to take off this dud ass head unit, which sucks. Looks like it's pretty easy enough. I just pop that corner and the whole thing just came off. So it looks like I gotta transfer those vents. So let's get to doing that. It's really dirty. Just clean it up real quick with a rag. How nasty that looked. Make sure y'all clean y'all vents. So I'm gonna pop these tabs on the side. Let's see. There's one tab. I'm using a money maker, by the way. It's just a flathead or anything like that. Just pop the tabs. Be careful though. Don't break them. Okay, cool. Just like that. Let's clean up the front over there. This is the old one. Put that right there. It's the old vent. So let's grab the head units, put this back on. I don't want no scratches. fairly easy. Let's pop the top first. Just reverse engineer and just push right back down. And it just sits. Just like that. Sits perfectly. Fitment's perfect. Fitment on point. Cool. So now I'm gonna handle the connections for the GPS. I was thinking about mounting it up all the way on top of the car, but that's gonna get me nowhere, so I'm just gonna mount it like on top right there. Put it on top. Tighten this up. You want to hand tighten this. Don't use a wrench or anything like that. Might be a bad day for you. Then get the Wi-Fi. Do the same thing. Boom. Got that up there like that. We got these UVS connections. USB. I don't know why I say UVS, but USB. It doesn't really come with directions or anything like that, but you know, since it's plug and play, you can figure it out. Like if it doesn't fit in one, you can have it fit in the other. So let's see. I know this is for the radio. Alright, got that in. Not sure if I'm gonna be able to use the antenna, but we'll see. Oh, looks like this might be the spot. Cool. Since I'm not really gonna be using these. Yeah, I'm gonna be using these. Oh, not anytime soon anyway. I don't really like rear view cameras or anything like that. But if I ever do one, this got the subs in and everything. Auxiliary. Oh yeah, that's kind of cool. But I can just use the radio wire for the amp, get that powered. We're gonna leave this in though, cause I'm gonna need that for subwoofers whenever I install them. That goes right there. Might as well connect the rest of them maybe. Bah.
Hey.
Check it out, check it out. It's my brother-in-law.
Let's go. Gang shit. Whole lot of gang shit.
We be, we be in this deep.
Wait, is that me? I'm gonna be on YouTube?
Yeah, bro. What? We power up with booby beads and beer all day. There's like 4 Phillips head screws on the sides. You want to take those off. Try not to drop them inside your fucking dash, because you're gonna be hearing that shit while you're driving around. That shit's gonna drive you nuts. Old one, piece of shit, on a fucking curb stomp it.
Doo doo.
But let's not do that.
Adios. Adios, motherfucker.
Yep.
New and improved.
New. Whenever your girl is giving you issue, get a new one.
Upgrade to the newest model.
Yep. Don't fight. Just get a new one. Too much, man. Oh, look at that.
Oh man, that looks so clean, bro. That looks so clean. So clean.
Let's see.
Moment of truth. Dun dun dun. Oh.
Damn.
Yo, that's clean as fuck.
That's
Dome 5280.